know, it's important to make sure that it's safe before you go to cross the street to get on the bus. And our bus drivers are going to use hand signals to indicate whether it's not safe or if it's safe to cross the street. So make sure that you talk to your children about the importance of looking up to the bus driver to make sure that it's safe to cross the street before they go to get on the bus. There's 4 danger zones around the sides of the school bus, directly in front, directly behind, and on either side of the school bus. If you look at the little stick that sticks out there on the front, that's called a crossing gate. That keeps you out of that danger zone, and it also allows us the opportunity to look up at the bus driver to make sure it's safe to cross the road. Directly behind the bus, that's a long bus. That driver can't see you if you're back there, so always cross in front of the bus. And then on either side, those are some blind spots where the driver may not be able to see a child. And then on the stop sign side, not everybody always stops for that stop sign, so we got to make sure that we stay out of that danger zone so that we don't get struck by a vehicle. We got to make sure we know when to stop for a school bus that's loading or unloading. So the easiest one is on a 2-lane road. If you're approaching the bus from the rear or approaching the bus from the front, everyone is required to stop. Where most folks get confused is on a multi-lane highway. A multi-lane highway is a roadway that has more than 1 lane in each direction. In this situation, if you're traveling the same direction as the school bus, you're required to stop. If you're traveling in the opposite direction, you're not required to stop, but we encourage you to slow down. And why is this? Because school districts are required on a multi-lane highway to design their bus routes so that students are not having to cross the street and are only loading from the right side of the bus.
My name is Camilla Lipsy, and I'm the safety officer of Spartanburg School District 6. That means that I help train and teach drivers and students for safety of school buses. So in the morning, our school bus drivers, we have to thoroughly check the school buses. We want to make sure that our school buses are safe for the children that's going to enter the buses. We want to make sure that it's going to be safe while it's driving on the road with our students, so we give it a thorough check on the inside and out.
My name is Roxy Black, and my job title here at School District 6 is a driver trainer and a school bus driver. So on this bus, on most buses, we have 4 emergency windows, 4 emergency exit windows. And this is how you would open the windows in case of an emergency. You would pull this lever up and pop the window out. And you can use this window if the bus is upright. We would go out, hit that only if the other 2 exits, main exits, are blocked. We would use this exit. And we have 2 emergency hatches, roof hatches, in each bus. And you would turn the handle this way and push up, and it will pop up and out. This is our back door emergency exit. And you would pull the lever up, push the door out. And if you have to exit out the back door, we would sit on our bottoms and scoot out, not jump out. We have the main exit, which is the service door exit. That's the main exit, that the entrance that the children come in. It's also an exit to go out.
When you go to load the bus, make sure you always use the handrails. Move to your seat swiftly. When you find your seat, make sure that you sit with your back against the seat, your legs facing forward, keeping that aisle clear in the event of an emergency.